Imagine yourself unwinding with a soothing bath after a long day. To make this experience even more luxurious, we're diving into how to create your own DIY bath bombs with simple ingredients. Bath bombs are perfect for relaxation and nourishing your skin. Picture the mesmerizing fizz as one dissolves in your tub, releasing calming scents and skin-loving ingredients. You'll need baking soda, citric acid, Epsom salt, cornstarch, essential oils, food coloring, water, and a bath bomb mold. Start by mixing 1 cup of baking soda, ½ cup of citric acid, ½ cup of Epsom salt, and a ½ cup of cornstarch in a large bowl. Next, in a separate bowl, mix 2 to 3 teaspoons of water, 1 teaspoon of essential oil, and a few drops of food coloring. Slowly add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring continuously to prevent the mixture from fizzing prematurely. Combine until it resembles wet sand. Pack the mixture tightly into the bath bomb molds, pressing the halves together firmly. Let the bath bombs dry for at least 24 hours. Use an animated timer to visualize the waiting period. Once dry, gently remove them from the molds. Handle carefully to avoid cracks. Store your bath bombs in an airtight container to maintain freshness. End with a cheerful scene of you enjoying a relaxing bath with your DIY creation. This simple project not only adds a touch of luxury to your bath time, but also highlights the benefits of using natural ingredients.